And supposedly we have tornado warnings in the area here in York County and one over there in Ocean View. Looking to the south, southeast, east, northeast. Now the tornado was supposedly in Seaford area, which is about north-northeast, which would be right about there. And still I'm seeing nothing major, no major rotation or anything. You know, just those normal low dark clouds. To the west, into the what am I trying to say here? Northwest. That looks pretty dark and low there. To the southeast. But nothing major. Okay, looking due east there. That's all for now. From Tab, Virginia. 11:45 a.m. Saturday, September 9, 2018.